Okay, here we are at Luke's house picking up a 1941 Indian Chief. Bonneville. And Luke has had this bike for years. The motor has been rebuilt by Starklight. And Luke decided that he wanted to go with more Harley style, with the hand, get rid of the hand shifter and put in a foot shift. So therefore he's got this modification here with all the linkage that comes up and over, and then it comes up and goes across, around, out the other side, and then down to a foot shifter. It's actually pretty creative and pretty clever when you think about it. And the only thing that it looks like he used is a Harley mousetrap. As for the foot clutch, he got rid of that because that's where his foot shifter is, and he came off the foot clutch system, built his own arm, comes all the way out, up to the mousetrap, and then a cable that runs up and around. He even made his own hand gear. So this is his clutch lever. He made it, didn't like the mounting for the horn, so he made his own horn mounting out of metal stock. Actually, it looks kind of cool, painted it red. You don't see this anymore. Everyone's just chroming everything and bolting on. Luke's an old-time guy, made it himself. Over here he's made his own handbrake. The seat he got and repolstered. He did all the leather work himself on the seat. Kind of interesting. Didn't care for 6 volt, so he went to a 12 volt system. I believe this is out of a Volkswagen. So he also has a magneto for it, the original Indian mag, but he used, which would could probably just bolt right back in. Even the kickstand, he didn't have a side stand for it, so he made one out of an old wrench. Bolted it up there, an old, was that a 15/16 wrench? Bent it the way he wanted it. Old time work. It's a guy who's got a lot of creativity. Even the floorboards didn't care for it, so he bolted on some leather right on top of them.